Annyeong everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ju. If you like cars like me, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more. 감사합니다. This is the Toyota's Fortuner. Yes, it is almost the top of the line, right below the GR variant. But for me, the limited variant is sweet because it has so many features that I really love. And since I drive the 2017 4x2 Fortuner G, I just get to appreciate so much more features that you get from this. Although the price starts at 2,440,000 pesos and 10,000 more and you can get the pearl white variant, I think with the badge and Fortuner's name, it is probably one of the best choices that you can have for a 7-seater. Let's find out why. 시작! Just look at the front fascia. It has a combination of black gloss and the body paint and the badge. It just looks so clean and very subtle, but we do have silver metallic accents. And look at the clusters of this lighting system. It is just so beautiful. It just looks so sleek and wonderful. By the way, this is how the key fob looks like. It says Fortuner. Yes, it's as nice as the key fobs of a Land Cruiser. Yes, it is so nice looking. This is the 4x4 limited front fascia of the Fortuner. LEDs everywhere, sequential turn signals. It just looks like a whale. No, it just looks like a shark. It also looks like alien, but it does look like a predator that is ready to eat all the other 7-seaters here on our roads of the Philippines. As you know, these days it's really hot. So, especially in cars, if you don't have good tint, you will really feel the burn. Like me, like being a car reviewer, most of the demo units are tintless. So like cars and buildings with lots of windows, I recommend Solarex films. These are premium films from Italia that are well priced, comes with 20 years of warranty. Yes, 20 years of warranty as long as you don't change ownership. So just mention my name to Solarex Films. Their details are here. You get your exclusive discount. Back to the review. Here on the side of the Fortuner Limited 4x4, we do have nice 18-inch rims that are designed really well. Although I like the design of the Q, this is still also very nice. Although many people say that Fortuner is madagdag, it's kinda true, but if you slow down, you will not feel the matagdagness. If you are still willing to pay 2,440,000 for your Fortuner, I don't think you will have problem in upgrading your suspension. The Fortuner is so iconic here in the Philippines, and this limited variant just shouts, "Hey, I'm the boss in the Philippines," which is true. It just sells so well, and having to drive it every day, it also makes me feel that sometimes, yeah, okay, Fortuner, everyone has a Fortuner. But still, you know, when you see a lot of them, there are plenty of parts. So that is confidence for you. Here at the back, this is how the lighting looks like with sequential lighting system. Although the 4x4 Limited didn't arrive just yesterday, it did stay here in the Philippines for quite some time. It still looks nice. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sensors, and I don't know why. I like it best when it's in pearl white, so get the pearl white version. Now let's see if we have power liftgate system. See, although many people complain that Toyotas give bare units, this one is not. This is like one of the best spec cars that you can find in Toyota. So it has a lot of features that I really love, and we will find out what are they. I really love those practical bits here and there. This one has them. Let's go. Although I tried kicking under here and there is no sensor, I think, but we do have the button here. Okay, open and yan. You have to open the door first and hold on to the trunk release button. Here at the back, this is the place where people usually complain, but it is not so bad. When you pull this, it actually is assisted, so it kind of goes up well. It does come with the Velcro, so make sure you put it there and then adjust the Velcro so it will not bounce around, because sometimes when you like step on a huge pothole, yes, it sometimes drops and then you go ah! So we actually use the Fortuner for many things. Moving things, trees, banana trees. But yes, it would have been better if it was like super flat and we didn't have that. But still, it is usable. Oh my goodness. So the Fortuner Limited 4x4 comes with gas struts. I never imagined. Oh, I was really shocked. I don't remember. I rarely opened the hood of the 2017 Fortuner G, so I will check it later, but wow. So under the hood, we have a 2.8 liter turbocharged diesel engine that does 204 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. Mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, it comes with drive modes, normal, eco, and power. When you put this car into power, you'll enjoy the joy of driving. So it's easy to close it pala. Just put it down. Wow. The limited variant of this 4x4 Fortuner comes with disc braking system in all 4 corners. Guys, if you have reached this point of the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. 감사합니다. Let's see in detail. Oh, we do have blind spot monitoring. And these are powered, but it's not auto power folding. So that's one upgrade that you can do aftermarket. Actually, we did that. So of course, the key again. Powered seats for the passenger and the driver. It's both powered. They both come with side air curtains. Like here, see. The front row seats are both powered. They come with side airbags. The driver gets knee airbag. Now this is something that I want Toyota to change, like color code them or put some white stuff so we can see it. Because most of the time, you will open this. Although it does have a different shape, I just found out now. Guys, please do let me know in the comment section below. You have a Toyota vehicle who got confused, like sometimes opening this instead of this. Let me know in the comment section below. JBL tweeter speakers, burgundy, nice leather, fully automatic windows, around view, power lift gate, parking sensor, and you can also turn off this kick function. Oh, so there is a kick function. Kick, no, kick. Okay, maybe that's not it. Super nice cup holder that has secret function like this. Haha. You can hold on to this grab handle and basically go inside like that. When you're talking about a 2 million plus car, like there are things that you would expect across all brands, like memory seats, but this one does have other things that you might not expect in a Toyota, right? Airbag here, auto dimming room mirror here, the lights are in LEDs. So fantastic. How did that happen? I just found out we have ambient lights here, ambient lights here, ambient lights here, also ambient lights there. Oh, this is really loaded. This is the dashboard of the 4x4 Limited Fortuner. Automatic lighting system, manual windshield wiper, audio controls and computer controls, lane keep assist, Okay, we're gonna start once, okay? So it's like I'm gonna see what's there. All right. Oh, whoa, Fortuner and a Toyota animation. The steering wheel with gloss like wood material and leather and stitching. Paddle shifters, cruise control. Looks nice in blue. I love the color. Burgundy, metallic silver, chrome, plastic. Cup holders, JBL speaker, grab handle, airbag. The headliner is black, mirror and light. Although this would have looked nicer if it was also in LED, but that's an easy fix. Auto dimming room mirror. Same here. I love having the case for the sunglasses. Very glossy here. Wooden. 2-zone climate control. This is with automatic function. Shift on the fly, downhill assist control. Ventilated seats, left and right, USB port, 12 volt, wireless charge pad, cup holders, wood accessories, 6-speed automatic gated gear lever, manual handbrake wrapped in nice leather with chrome, Eco Normal Sport, traction off, rear differential lock. Wow! This Fortuner is loaded. And guys, there's actually a vent here. So you can use this as a cool box. It's closed and the seats are ventilated. And the center console is super duper soft. Very, very cushiony. Whoa, really nice. 360 view, tailgate system, sensor, hood and gas cap. Wow. Let me show you the second row. The second row, speaker, fully automatic up and down, window control, perforated, they're in good leather, armrest and cup holders, 2 USB ports, they are in type A's. The air vents, very nice location, and look at the cabin light, it's in LED. These are the controls for the blower for the second row and the third row. The center tunnel is on the low side. There are pouches here and a hook here. Let's enter the 4x4 Limited Fortuner. Oh, so good. It's leather everywhere. Also here on the side. I love it. This burgundy color with silver metallic and chrome and black, hard plastic. It has plenty of different vibes here and color. But what are the practical things that I use every day? Auto dimming room mirror, wireless charge system, JBL sound system, ventilated seats guys, ventilated in a Fortuner, 360 all around view. Wow! The locations of the air vents will satisfy everybody. All 7 to 8 or 9 people who will ride this car. Look at this. The provision of grab handles here, really useful. It's just that you don't have it on the second row and you can actually have it upgraded aftermarket. Like this car has everything figured out for you. Automatic climate system, downhill assist, 4x4, on the go. What more can you ask for? And everything is black, so you'll not have problems when people put like gelato or Nutella all over your headliner. Even the seatbelt is black. And provision of airbags. I really love Toyota Fortuner because they have airbag here in the knee. So you have airbags everywhere. You're so comfortable. All the vents, all the charge ports, USB ports. And driving the Fortuner is amazing also. And this one just is a huge upgrade because I remember we bought the 2017 G for 1,500,000 something. So this one is almost 1 million peso more expensive. Hey, plenty of JBL speakers, right? If you love sounds. This JBL head unit with physical volume dial, tune scroll, amazing. There you go. The 360 camera, not the best quality, but still it works properly. All right, and then you can also like see the angle of your front wheels. You will see it here, but not right now because I didn't start the car. The buttons, they feel good. Automatic climate zone, 2 zones. Shift on the fly. Wireless charging. Ventilated seats. There you go. I'm feeling the air right now in my butt. Cup holders. This is padded, guys. These are very important details. Push start button, lane keep assist. We have cruise control, adaptive. Wow. Now let's go to the second row and let me show you what I like and what I find practical. Second row. Oh, they're in the second row. You can slide the seats forward and backward. You can also recline. But when the third row is folded, you cannot recline. So if you want to recline, make sure the third row is unfolded. Lighting. Whoa, LED lights. Wow. Did you see that? LED lights. Wow. One more time. Whoa, amazing. Air vent buttons. This is a dual climate zone, not 3 zone. So you can control the blower here, and the location of the air vents are fantastic. And this arm area is all padded. Power options here, 2 USB ports, and the armrest has cup holders. Although it's wrapped in plastic, I can remove it. And this is another feature that I find practical. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Just one touch. They're plastic, so it got stuck. It's so easy to climb in. It's so easy to climb in, guys. This is manual, but it's a manual that works really easy. You don't have to think. Fantastic. Success. And for you to get out, it's also easy because the lever, it's not just on one side. It's like something like that. So you can also pull it easily from the back. Surprise! Easy. And you have air vents here on the third row. Perfect. See? Really easy. No sweat. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you want Toyota vehicles, please do contact Mr. Basilio here in Toyota Pasong Tamo. And with that, I will see you in the next video. May your dreams come true. 감사합니다.